Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be painting a portrait on this Hahnemuhle Sugarcane Watercolour sample paper. I got this free sample paper when I bought Hahnemuhle Harmony CP watercolor block. So let's get started. As you can see that this paper is natural white cold fresh paper made with 70% sugarcane fiber and 30% cotton rag and has textured surface. It's 290 GSM or 135 pound paper. Look thick enough to do all kind of watercolor technique. Alright, I am erasing the darker part of this pencil sketch before wetting the paper. This is sample paper, so I am not using masking tape. Instead, letting the paper buckling it. Many people think it's a problem in watercolor paper, but let me remind you that it's very common thing happen when you wet the whole paper or some area, and it start buckle up when the paper start drying it. But don't worry, you can stop this buckling by doing stretching technique or using masking tape on it. As you can see, the second layer blending normally like other artist watercolor paper, which is really impressive. Also, it looks very easy to lift the colors from the paper. If you want to know how I paint portraits step by step, then check the portrait tutorial video link on description area. You are seeing that the color spreading very nicely, even the smallest area, even though I am using regular size mop brush, which is medium size mop brush, but look like we can control it very easily when spreading the colors on the paper. As you can see, here I have already painted 70% background using wet on wet technique, just using single olive green color, and then after that layer has dried. I did some color lifting using clean wet brush to create some noodle steam, and you can see it turned out pretty nicely. The main characteristic of the sugarcane paper is that this paper works pretty similar to professional artist watercolor paper, even though it's made of 70% sugarcane fiber. Moreover, the lifting technique works so well that you don't have to put so much pressure while lifting the color, as well as the other way technique work good too. This paper absorbs water weight and stay wet for a while, which is a very important thing in cold fresh paper. This is generally considered a good thing for watercolor painting, and this texture surface paper helps hold pigment and allow for vibrant colors and interesting effect. The increased absorbency also make it well suitable for wet on wet technique and color blending. I know that you must want to say that I cannot say This all by just using single paper, but honestly, while trying all the watercolor technique on it, this paper works similar to regular 100% cotton CP paper I have been using for watercolor. So I think I would love to try this Hahnemuhle Sugarcane Watercolor pad, which come in A4 size in future, and I am looking forward to share more thought on this paper. Alright, I will continue to paint remaining area. I will stop talking here and please do enjoy the process.